តោះយើងពេលនេះយើងលើកមកនិយាយតែតជាមួយនឹងរឿង SEA Games 2025នៅកាន់ប្រទេសថៃអញ្ចឹងតែទាំងអស់គ្នាមែនតើទៅសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់ហ្មងខ្ញុំឃើញថាតន់បានចាប់ផ្ដើមនៃការបើកផងគឺមានរឿងរ៉ោគរ៉ាក់ជាច្រើនในប្រទេសថៃកំពុងតែឈឺក្បាលជាមួយនឹងរឿងដែលបានតែកើតឡើងតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ SEA Games ហ្នឹងហាក់បីជាបង្ហាញថាថៃមិនទាន់បានត្រៀមខ្លួនរួចរាល់សម្រាប់ទទួលព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ហ្នឹងទេដែលជាមូលហេតុហ្នឹងយើងឃើញថាប្រទេសថៃមួយរយៈចុងក្រោយដូចគឺមានរឿងជាច្រើនបាទដូចជាមានការមានសង្គ្រាមក៏ដូចជាមានទំនាស់ជាមួយនឹងប្រទេសជុំវិញខ្លួនមានដូចជាភូមាបាទមានដូចជាកម្ពុជាយើងជាដើមហើយមានគ្រោះទឹកជំនន់ផ្សេងតែធ្វើឲ្យនាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រីរបស់ប្រទេសថៃលោកអនុទាននេះគឺឈឺក្បាលវិលមុខមែនតើនិយាយទៅរឿងគ្រប់ទិសខ្ញុំអាចចាប់អារម្មណ៍បានថាសភាពលោកអនុទាននៅពេលដែលគាត់ឡើងកាន់អំណាចថ្មីហើយជាមួយនឹងឡើងកាន់អំណាចមកដល់ពេលនេះខ្ញុំឃើញគាត់មានភាពដូចចាស់ជាងមុនច្រើនមែនតើប្រហែលជាគិតច្រើនហ្នឹងហើយធម្មតាមិនខុសពីយុរដ្ឋមន្ត្រីប្រទេសយើងទេនៅពេលដែលមហឹកមានបញ្ហាជាមួយនឹងថៃខ្លាំងហ្នឹងគឺយើងមើលសភាពរដ្ឋមន្ត្រីរបស់យើងគឺគាត់មានសភាពចាស់ច្រើនហើយគាត់សក់គាត់ឡើងស្កើខ្លាំងបានន័យថាគាត់មិនបានថែទាំសម្រស់របស់គាត់ទេដែលគាត់ភាគច្រើនផ្ដោតទៅលើការពារជាតិហបធីសាស្ត្រដើម្បីទប់ទល់ជាមួយនឹងភាគីដែលជាប្រឆាំងមិត្តបាទចូលមកដល់រឿងយើងវិញមុននឹងចូលមកដល់រឿងតែខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងរឿងថៃនេះទៀតសោតខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់ទៅដល់អ្នកថាចេះសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលគាត់subscribe លើ channel YouTube របស់ខ្ញុំហ្នឹងបាទឈ្មោះប៉ហ្នឹងបាទពេលដែល subscribe ឡើងដល់100000នាក់ឬក៏ស្មើនឹង 100k ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការ give away នៅ item ចំនួន5 item អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលក្នុងនោះមានដូចជាដង្ហាល់មានដូចជាម៉ាស៊ីនទឹកកឡុកបាទហើយជាមួយនឹងកំសៀវទឹកអីជាដើមបាទ5នាក់ទៅដល់ top fan របស់ខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់បាទដែលគាត់តែងតែតាមដាននៅវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងកុំភ្លេចជួយ subscribe ជួយ share ជួយ like បាទដើម្បី claim នៅរង្វាន់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដែលខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការ give away អូខេចូលមកដល់រឿងថៃតាក់ទងមួយរឿង SEA Games 2025ហ្នឹងយើងឃើញថាអញ្ចេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាព្រឹត្តិការណ៍កើតឡើងប្រព្រឹត្តទៅនៅក្នុងប្រទេសថៃប៉ុន្តែរឿងគ្រប់យ៉ាងដែលបានកើតឡើងហ្នឹងវាហាក់ដូចជាជំរុញឲ្យ SEA Games ប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងដែលធ្វើជាម្ចាស់ផ្ទះកាលពីឆ្នាំ2023ហ្នឹងក៏ក្រើកឡើងមកវិញតាមរយៈការប្រៀបធៀបក៏ដូចជាការលើកឡើងពីសំណាក់បងប្អូនប្រជាជនរបស់យើងហើយក៏ដូចជាប្រជាជនថៃដូចគ្នាបាទដែលមិនទាន់នឹងបានការចាប់ផ្ដើមផងសម្រាប់ប្រជាជនរបស់យើងខាងកម្ពុជាយើងផ្ទាល់មកបានលើកឡើងថាងាប់ហើយមិនទាន់បានធ្វើផងលេងរោគរ៉ាលេងការប្រកួតបាល់ទាត់ដំបងហ្នឹងបញ្ហាបច្ចេកទេសបានកើតឡើងជាញឹកញយសូម្បីតែភ្លេងជាតិដែលត្រូវប្រគំឡើងនៅពេលដែលក្រុមបាល់ទាត់នីមួយមុននឹងចាប់ដាក់ប្រកួតហ្នឹងគេមានការគ្រប់ភ្លេងជាតិអញ្ចឹងណាក៏ហាក់បីដូចជាមិនមានការចាក់ដែរដោយគេបាននិយាយថាវាពីកំហុសបច្ចេកទេសបាទដែលมันអាចធ្វើឲ្យចាក់បានតែមានជាងគោកទៅហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងខាងវៀតណាមក៏ដូចជាខាងអ្នកប្រកួតជាមួយវៀតណាមដូចជាខាងឡាវហ្នឹងហើយក៏ធ្វើការជ្រៀងគោកទៅដែលទទួលបានការរិះគន់ខ្លាំងមែនតើពីខាងវៀតណាមនិងខាងឡាវដែលថាប្រទេសថៃនេះហាក់បីដូចជាមិនបានត្រៀមខ្លួនរួចរាល់ក្នុងការប្រកួតព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ទទួលព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ធ្វើជាម្ចាស់ផ្ទះឆាប់សម្រាប់ឆ្នាំ2025នេះទេបាទបន្ទាប់មកគេក៏ធ្វើការចេញនៅលិខិតសុំទោសអីផ្សេងដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់ថាអូនេះគឺជាការកំហុសបច្ចេកទេសខ្លួនគេមិនបានតាំងចិត្តទេធ្វើមិនតែពេលហ្នឹងវាកើតឡើងទៅហើយអញ្ចឹងក៏ដោះស្រាយតាម step by step អញ្ចឹងទៅបាទបន្តមកទៀតនេះក៏យើងឃើញមានការត្រាម៉ាជាហោហែបន្តទៅទៀតទៅចាក់ដូចជាមានលោករឿងរ៉ាត់សន្តិសុខដែលឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ជាភាសាថៃណាឈ្មោះរឿងរ៉ាត់លោករឿងរ៉ាត់ហ្នឹងទទួលការងារដូចជារចនានៅការធ្វើនិយាយថាដេក័រឬក៏រៀបចំព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ហ្នឹងណាគាត់ថាគាត់បានធ្វើការរយៈពេល7ខែនៅរឿងហ្នឹងហើយស្រាប់តែដល់7ខែក្រោយមកគាត់ការងាររបស់គាត់ត្រូវបានគេ cancel ចោលហើយគេថានឹងមានក្រុមការងារថ្មីហ្នឹងនឹងបានបញ្ចូលមកវិញនៅពាក់កណ្ដាលខែ10នេះដែលព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ SEA Games ប្រព្រឹត្តទៅនៅខែ11អញ្ចឹងគាត់មិនមែនថាបង្ហោះនៅក្នុង Facebook ដើម្បីទាមទារការសងអីមកវិញទេប៉ុន្តែគាត់ថាបីចអន់ចិត្តព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ដែលគាត់ខំធ្វើគឺធ្វើដើម្បីជាតិហេតុអីបានជាដល់ដំណាក់កាលចុងក្រោយបានជា cancel ការងាររបស់គាត់ចោលហើយឲ្យការងារក្រុមការងារផ្សេងចូលមកព្រាមបែបហ្នឹងគាត់ហាក់បីដូចជាមិនពេញចិត្តនឹងទង្វើបែបហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងណាហើយនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងក៏មានលើកឡើងជាមួយនឹងការតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង payment អីផ្សេងដែលខាងរដ្ឋនោះអត់បានអនុម័ត payment ទៅឲ្យខាងគាត់ដែលជាឈ្មោះថាលោកសន្តិលោករឿងរឹតហ្នឹងឯង ตอนบางทีก็ยังเคยทำแบบในที่ธนาคารชลบุรีก็มีปัญหาเรื่องเพย์มันต่างแต่ในทางการกับใน LED bà phải chết đây tha ở khang LED nó cứ khang nó có ban tờ lẹ lôi quạt đấy tại quạt thử căn hưởng đắng thử khang ở khai chôn bồ ri năng ấy bà hai có miếng ca họ mò tha quạt thua ca độ trên từ họ vĩnh tại sao ta tôi bán phê mình bị khang rót khang này hiệp trong tất cả SEA Games ấy đang từ hồ hai nó tì chẳng bây giờ ta làm mà cho ấn ba bây giờ toàn đăng tha bây giờ na bà to tiếp bàn tay đi vậy nhưng đăng này bây giờ nhưng mà ban bà lư po làm miếng cho nó chơi ban tập mưa tại an po làm miếng được nông cha làm po làm miếng khao sọt như ấy bà đài dương khơi tha drama cứ cả lại cho hồ hài hôm mà đo miếng ca nước lang mua tiết ha cái sông kia rồi bao chỉ mỗi nơi du làm tây lục an được thì nó cứ quát mình cái nước lang thang cái tha SEA Games đi pon mà phay pramในประเทศไทยvừa on เชียงประเทศกัมพูชาบอกเยอะการđi pon mà phay bay hai lô an được thiên các bạn cho vô tụi mình tha là cái gì việc ha who said that chẳng hạnนะแจ้งได้ปฏิการนั้นตอนมันการล้างบ่นั่งให้ได้บานเชียร์มอนใหญ่จังยังไงเบียดกอดยังจังคังตัวเองจังทั้งปฏิการตอนมันการล้างพร้อมตอนมันฟื้นพร้อมบัดบันบ่ชอบประกันท่าทั่วอันจังประเทศกัมพูชาไอ้จังนะยังไงแจ้งได้การกับปัตเตอร์ยังเคยท่าขอนตะบายขบ้าตะโบทั่วไปเชียร์จนเกนั่นวีออกตักจัดมาได้ปลาผมมีเรื่องฉอนปีbà điều chuẩn về để thua lạiประเทศไทยนี่คือวันละขบองแมนเทนเชียร์แซ่เลยเนาะอยู่รอบประเทศไทยบ้านปัดเตือนเอาเนี่ยได้กันหรือซีแกนนั่นปัญญาต่อแสงเนี่ยปัญหาต่างออกนั่งไอ้บ้านชับบำพอดตามแต่ไอ้ทัวร์บ้านทำใบอัปตกาซีแกมนั่นประตูดาวดลูนเองจังนั่นต่างออกนี้เอาเลยบอกตอนไงนี้เยี่ยมตอนดังท่าตาปตกาซีแกมในการประเทศไทยดังโนประเทศไทยนั้นดังท่าเตยจะแบบนาเต้โพหรือท่าคาดมาจำนวนแต่เธอประกอบSEA Games nó ban miền Bắc ha để xa tại cuộc tập trung đốn có thời lướt tí tăng nó một than bằng cọ bình hạt nộp phim thiên những chẳng thay kết thúc ban đầu ban na thế của tôi khơi pol biển na chọc sai bật ham tê cho tôi cho mỗi năng ca phạt đồ tí tăng ấy họ hai năng chẳng á còn ta ở đây là vô sọp bao bên ban nó cứ thaประเทศไทยกระหลองเตยนั่นคือใต้แต่เมืองยี่ประเทศกัมพูชาบ่อเยื้องส่งไปแต่ถึงต้อยใต้แต่บ้านการล่างในขนมประเทศกัมพูชาบ่อเยื้องแต่เยื้องกระทาโซนคนเยื้องนะทัวร์นั่นคือล้อชอบเหมือนแต่ในในแต่พวกน้องหอจนเหมือนปลาขาดทุยย่อมาดาวตกเยื้องจังชิมแซ่ปลาเหมือนไทยโอ้ทอดด้วยจะเหืองสโนว์กับอาเหืองสมัยอาเหืองนับเซ็งเจงปีตีตั้งในเถอประกวดไอ้ซาบิยอนออกมาปะฮะนับไปจอนผลิตขมายเยอะไอ้จังเถอทั้งแต่ดักที่มันดังจังเดี๋ยวเตยเรื่องร้ายแต่มันพูดจะเหืองซะมีประกอบเตยจะเหืองมาจังได้ประเทศเซ็งเกย์อัดเมียนเตยรีคนไอ้เหืองปันดังเต้ปวดดังไอ้ท่าแบดกระถาแบดไซด์ติ่งตัวเวียนทงประเทศมวยเวียนไตแต่เมียนได้เหมือนแต่อัดซอยสมไปแต่ประเทศห้ามไหนทอมก่อนจังได้ยังบันใหญ่ไงแต่ประเทศจันห้ามไหนจ้ะก็ประเทศนั่งไปห้ามตุบตักได้ยังเพี้ยนใหญ่จังบ่าผมยังพบเตยจันตัวจังมีมันจำไหลใช่ไทยประเทศนี้มีจำไหลข้อเกยถอนทางเป็นแกโรเรื่องยืงอัดเจอัดเป็นชบอัดเป็นชอบเป็นสมระใต้มาแล้วไอ้ยมก็ทนถอนหนึ่งพวกหนึ่งครั้งนะได้ใหญ่กับมาอย่างนี้จังวิดีโอเฉินใส่ใจอย่างไทยอย่างท่าแบดไซแบบพวกเยอะแต่มาแล้วแต่ซาแต่ยมใหญ่แมนเทนเตอร์คือวิทนอย่างพวกนั้นอะยังไงถึงซอบก็เยอะเรื่องนั้นแต่ท่าดับใบไอ้บ่าเอาตอนมาเตี้ยก็ยังเคยท่าก็มีเล็กล่างอย่างตรามาไปโดยยมบันโฮจีโฮไฮในข้างบอกโดยยมบันเลือกล่างนั้นไอ้จงขอยเกณฑ์นี้ที่นั่นคือปัญหาสไลด์หนักในบ่ออัตราผลลัพธ์ได้ข้างจะให้ท่าคะแนนเพราะผู้เกล้าบ้านแต่บ้านต่อประเทศไทยนั่นคือมีการเป็นจัดคลังเหมือนแต่จะพวกการตัวประเทศไทยกันนั้นไปเปรียบท่าเลือกล่างท่าจะกล้าเปรียบเทียบท่าโอ้ยประเทศไทยทัวร์ในชนามนี้ออนจังประเทศกัมพูชาง่ายได้ยังเคยท่าประเทศกัมพูชาบ่อยๆนั่นเป็นด่าตาผลลัพธ์ตลอดการประเทศทัวร์ไอ้ไว้นั้นกูเปรียบท่าขนาดนะยมสไตล์แบบท่ารมเพิร์ปนะยมต้องเป็นยมดาวไอ้เต้คือยมดาวรมเพิร์ปยมดาวสบายจัดได้เต้กัมพูชาเยอะตัวพวกกัดบ้านละอ้อมเหมือนเต้สั่งแต่โดยตัวกระดาษเราพูทมจังบ่ายังไงจังโอเควิดีโอนี้มีแต่ปันดังเต้ให้กลุ่มเพลงอย่างต่างๆนี้เธอมาช่วย subscribe ไอ้บ้านดับตามรอยเคยมหนุนเพื่อการ giveaway จำนวนปรามไอเทมบ่าต่อท็อปเฟนบางยมแต่งแผนเนี่ยบ่าทงนั้นมีโดยเจต่างหาบ่ามีโดยเจียนันตะกล็อกมีกับซิลตะไคจะได้ต่อจังของเพลงโจรวมต่างๆนี้ให้ช่วยแชร์วิดีโอเนี่ยบ้านเชิญนำใบยามีหลักกะตัวกว้างตัวบ้านวันได้ชื่อ giveaway บางยมโอเคบายบายจนที่วิดีโอเรา